let me share with you my 3 favorite features in Camtasia 2023. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetino Media, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so I've been using Camtasia 2023 for maybe 3 months now. The results are in my 3 favorite features. Here we go. Feature number 1, and it's difficult to share it with you because I'm recording right now in Camtasia, but it's the Camtasia Rev feature. This pops up when you are done recording a screencast recording in Camtasia, and it's basically like a workflow that allows you to set up your video for editing. So it allows you to choose the format, your background, the cursor effects, a whole bunch of things. And because I do a lot of screencast recordings for tutorials on our YouTube channel, this is my first favorite feature in Camtasia 2023. Number 2 is the dynamic backgrounds. So you see here, look at the background. Don't look at my business partner Reed. Just look at the background here. You see how it's moving and it's fluid, it's flowing, professional. That's the dynamic backgrounds. That is my second favorite feature. And let me show you where that is located. So in media, click media, and then head over to the library, and then go to Camtasia 2023. And from here, there's a couple places you can go. You can go into dynamic backgrounds, and this one right here is line gradient. And you can change this to whatever color you like. Your branding, so when you click on it, head to the right, you can change this to your branding, have it match up, have it look really good. So you can see here we had it match up to our branding, looks really good, matches the whole colors, everything. So that's the first place to find it, and then right below it is the dynamic fills, and there's like more variations. Again, they're not set to these colors, you can change them to your branding, which is really cool. So I love this because, again, it works well with what I'm already doing. I use it for screencast recordings, talking head videos, Zoom recordings, amplifies the project outlook. It makes it look way better in my opinion. And number 3 favorite feature is, it's this animated text that was created. So this right here, I'm gonna have it pop up on the screen. It's this animated text that's going to pop up. So you see here, I didn't need to format that whole animation because if you did, it would take a long time. It's already preset in the Camtasia 2023 library, and then all I did was change the text and change the color. Another time-saving one. So let me show you where I found this. Again, you want to be in media, head over to the library, make sure you're in Camtasia 2023. Head down to titles, and you'll see here that there are a bunch of different types of pre-made titles, and the one that I did was big type 3. So I'm gonna have it come down on screen here, and you can see here this is what it normally looks like. And again, everything is customizable. You change the text here, you click down on this to change the color, you can change the font, but I like the font that they chose. The sizing, if you want it to be to the right or to the left, keep it in the center. Now for the one that I did, I had a white background so that you could see the text a little bit better, because here, when you have it on the screen, it's a bit hard to read. So that's why I put some text behind it. So that's why I put a faded white background behind it, so that you could see the text a little bit better. And they have all different kinds here. I just chose that one. They have one with a dynamic background, and the text is colored. They have just like really big text here with a background shape going on in the middle. So it's like all different kinds of styles and everything like that. Here's this one screen. This one's cool. It's got like a neon thing kind of going on. Probably use something like that. And these are already pre-made, and you just change the text and you change your color. So those are my 3 favorite features in Camtasia 2023. Let me know down in the comments below what your favorites are. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.